So we're here on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar daily chart, and I've just entered into a long position. What got me interested in this trade is this support zone that the market has just broken through. So we have a support level over here, another support level over here. We have a bit of a reaction over here as well before the strong bearish break of the support. Then after the break, the market retested the same zone as resistance. We tested resistance here, another test here, another test here, and a final test of resistance before the market broke through the zone again. Another reason I'm interested in this trade is because of the loss of momentum that the market experienced before breaking through this zone again. So after this first swing in the market here, the market tested resistance again and resulted in a much smaller swing. After the smaller swing, resistance was tested again, and then we had a bit of consolidation before the market broke through. Because of this loss of momentum, I'm anticipating that the market is going to trade up until the next resistance level. So if we go down to the 4-hour chart, this is the exact trade that I've just taken. I've placed the buy limit order, which hasn't triggered yet. We had this first test of support here, and I'm anticipating another test of support which would trigger my buy order. And the target is placed below this daily resistance zone. So we can go down to the 1-hour time frame, and as you can see, the market is a few pips above our entry at the moment. If we go back to the daily chart, we can see that this resistance zone could be the next possible level for the market to trade to, and my target is placed below it. The stop loss has also been protected by being beneath the support zone, and this trade has a 1 to 2 risk reward, which is my preferred risk reward. So I'm going to pause the video now and we'll see how this trade goes. It's been about 9 hours now since I took this trade and the buy order has triggered. So far so good. The market has retested support as expected, and we've had a good bullish reaction off this level. We're currently sitting at this minor resistance zone. The market is at a slight rejection off this level, and it seems like we're consolidating a bit. We're also sitting at just under 1-to-1 risk reward. My stop loss has been moved to break even, so the trade is risk free. I'll just continue to watch the markets at this level. I may consider closing the trade early depending on how the market reacts. So again, I'm going to just pause the video and we'll just continue to see how this trade plays out. Alright, this trade has been consolidating a bit more than I had hoped, and I actually almost got stopped out at break even twice, but my stop loss order wasn't actually triggered. This trade actually has a positive swap rate, so I don't have a problem holding it for as long as it takes. If this resistance level breaks, then I'll be looking to move my stop loss and lock in a bit more profit. All in all, I'm happy to let the trade play out, and I'll update as it progresses. The market is now traded back to resistance, which I'm happy about, and as I've mentioned before, this level is key. If the market breaks through this level, I'll definitely be locking in some profits, but depending on how the market reacts to this level will determine if I close the trade early or continue to let it play out. Hopefully there'll be more consolidation and the market won't retrace too far from this resistance, but we will see. I'll just pause the video again and I'll update later. This will be my final update as I've just exited the trade. It's probably about 3 pips away from my target. I don't see a point in leaving the trade when it's this close to your profit target, so I've decided to just close it. Overall, I'm very happy with the trade, especially since I almost got stopped out at break even. I held this trade for almost a day and a half, but my target wasn't that much, so I didn't expect to have to hold the trade for too long. If we go back to the daily chart, we can see this trade is sitting at this daily resistance here and just below this major resistance that we have marked up here. The target was pretty well placed, but I've been trading long enough to know that if there's profit available to be taken, you should take it because you'll never know. The market might just start a bearish run or some unexpected news might just come out and all my profits would be lost. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more live trades like this, then subscribe to the channel and comment if there's anything else that you'd like to know.